And since we're casting on this massive 113-inch screen, I feel like it's a good time to tell you about today's video sponsor, Elite Screens, because what you're looking at right now is their ezCinema Tab-Tension CineGrey 4D manual pull-up screen. This thing is actually pretty amazing. It's super portable, but there's some details I want to tell you guys. They're using their CineGrey 4D material, which blocks out up to 65% of ambient light. I'm sitting here with all the lights on in this room. I have lights on overhead, I got lights on being blasted at me, and you can see clearly here that that bee is bee and he's doing its birds and bees thing. So you can see all the details still popping out with all the vibrant colors. In fact, let me just show you this real quick. Let me grab this little card right here and you can see right there. Can you guys see that? You can see right there. This card is representative of a matte white screen, just your typical matte white material. And back there you got your CineGrey 4D material. You can see how completely different that is. You get so much washout with this matte white material. But since it is a tab-tension screen, we do have these tabs right here with the little cable running through it, which makes the screen nice and taut. But just in case you can't get it taut, or you have a couple little wrinkles, I did have some wrinkles up here, but they're easy to get out because they also provide a little mechanism down here that you can actually kind of tighten up, and then you can actually flatten the screen out with giving it just a little bit more tension. An added benefit is they give you these black masking borders on the top, on the sides, and on the bottom. On the bottom you get a little bit more because you can actually adjust the screen up or down, so you have plenty of masking down there. And what that does is it prevents the light bleed. That way you can square off your picture and have the perfect image being displayed right here. Now, since this is a portable projector screen, they try to make this as easy as possible for you by giving you a swiveling foot with rotating cups on the bottom. They even put those rotating cups on the ends of the casing so you can get this thing leveled out pretty quickly and start enjoying your content. And once you're done, all you got to do is bring the screen down, tuck it away, close the casing, and put it in the included carrying case.
Elite Screens. Get the big picture.